What's up guys, today we're gonna be bringing you a signature boysenberry churro from Knott's Berry Farm. This churro right here is stuffed with boysenberry jam all throughout, from the bottom up to the top. It's dripping out here, it's bursting out the sides, it's absolutely stuffed, and I can't wait to try it. All right, here we go guys, check it out. That's crunchy, the jelly inside, it's nice and warm, it's sweet and delicious like all the boysenberry flavors out there. It's really yummy. If you love churros, you're gonna absolutely love this boysenberry stuffed churro. Oh man, I don't even want to share this, but you know you gotta spread the love. Try this out.
So good. You gotta love it. Look at that berry jam. Oh, not like your typical jelly. This jelly is sweet, meant for churros.
Alright guys, so that was the boysenberry stuffed churro at Knott's Berry Farm. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button right now so you can stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.